Yeah. Yeah.
I hope that's what this.
Okay. Oh, is this one?
Okay.
Oh. This one I kind of guessed. But.
Okay, I got 0.3.
Okay, because the percentage of students. Okay, I didn't actually. No, I said it would be within the 95%.
Okay.
What did I say?
So.
Oh, that's that one.
So within the 68% is 70, right? 70 minutes.
Yeah, wasn't it between like 60 and 80? That would be the 68% is in that range, and then was it 50
Well,
to 90?
because I thought that 70 would be within 68. And I feel like maybe you're right. I don't know. Because then I had 60
okay.
and 80 and 90.
I feel like I actually have to calculate something, but I don't know exactly what. Let's see. Standard deviation 10. So, what percentage of students will complete the exam in under 50 minutes? Oh, under 50 minutes.
Yeah, so it's not even in that. It's one more past that.
Oh, because it's like between the 95 and 99, cut in half. Okay, so to be honest, I don't know how to find this one out. Like, I don't know if I remember this one. Let's see.
So, okay. Within one standard deviation, then you'd start the 68, right?
Yeah.
So it wouldn't start at 70. You start at
60, so 68% is between, is within 60 and 80, right?
Okay.
And then 95% is like, because 10 more plus or minus that, and then the 97 is plus everything else. But let me.
Under 50.
Do you know what lesson that was in? What lesson? Man, we have so many. Which is this one related to any of the hypothesis tests or no?
Not that I could remember.
It was before that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know that I've ever seen something like this before.
I definitely remember doing it, but I don't remember. I remember it being simple and I like did it my own way and it always worked, but then I forgot what that was. I'm like, oh no. Because how did you find did you say 0.3? How did you find that out?
Yeah, well, I started the standard deviation at 70, not one after.
Uh-huh.
And so now I'm thinking it'll be like, so after 50, I have 95, right? Like 50 to 90. So I would think 5% are between 40 and 100.
Uh-huh.
You know what I mean? So maybe I don't know. The only thing I can think of is to divide the extra 5% by 2. So it'll be 2.5% of students will be under 50. But I don't have anything to back that up.
I found it. It's lesson 5.
Oh gosh, that was a long time ago.
I know. I'm like, that was so long ago. So this one, learned about Z-scores. Oh, here we go. So what is this question even asking? It's asking us to find the percentage of students that will be under 50 minutes. Okay.
You said it was chapter 5?
Yeah. What is it called? Chapter 5, normal distribution. Yeah, it's just closer to the end. Because we do like z-score and then. Oh, see, look, there's an equation, I don't know. Oh, because we have the mean minus the standard deviation is, okay, yeah.
Did you bring my phone? Yes, it was you. Okay, thank you. Oh, well, I appreciate it. I didn't even know. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow? Yeah, could meet tomorrow and then go through it. Do you want the books? Just want to refresh your memory on what? Yeah, might as well.
Oh, so we have to convert it to z-score and probability. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Do you see the equation, the x minus the mean over standard deviation? I wonder if we use that for the z-score and then we just do everything to the left.
Oh my gosh.
Ah! Okay, hold on. I get it. Because the x's, they gave us 50? Yes.
Yeah.
50.
So what is this over standard deviation squared? Or not squared?
Oh, no. It doesn't say squared. It just says it's simple. Yeah, it's x minus the mean over standard deviation. Or I mean, yeah, sigma.
So -2.
Oh. Oh. Hold on. I don't know what I'm doing.
That would have been pretty close.
Oh, oops. Yeah, I got -2. Wow, so that is way far away. 0.228.
Sounds good. Uh-huh.
There's -2, yeah.
I got -2 for my. I got my z-score was -2.
0.023, yeah.
Or yeah, if you did the rounding, it would be 0.223 or 0.23. Yes.
Oh wait, but it's to 1 decimal place.
Oh, just kidding. Oh, what?
That doesn't make sense.
Oh no, because that's the okay.
Percentage.
Okay, what we just found is the probability of it happening, of getting anything up to 50. Oh, but they're asking that what is the percentage of students that will complete
so
the exam?
2.3.
Oh, dang.
2.3%.
Oh. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, so we just changed it to a percentage, right?
I think so.
Oh, dang. What did I get? 0.2. 0.22. Yeah, so it'd be
Okay, sweet.
2.
And that was such a simple equation. I was like, why can't I? Got it.
2.3, right?
Yeah.
Is that already 2.3?
Yeah, that's what
No, I'm like, so simple. It's not so simple. Okay.
30%.
Oh, this is one that I don't think I did because I was like, I don't know if I know the equation. Oh yeah, because I had to input it. Finding the 35th.
Okay, well, when you get an answer, let me know.
Okay, because what equation did you use for this one? Because we're looking for...
I use the same one, so x minus mean over standard deviation.
Oh, that's it? Oh.
Over the n, like the square root of n.
Oh, okay. So it was x minus mu over sigma divided by the square root of n?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
But this one you have to plug in the z-score and then solve for the x instead.
Oh. Oh, because they don't give us x. X is 157.
150, yeah, 0.7.
Oh, okay. Oops, I'm just wrong. Oh. Hmm. Oops. Okay. Since we don't know what n is, we have to solve for n, right?
N is, okay, hold on. I think in the book, no, I don't know. Oh gosh. I was thinking that the n was 157, but that is not. So maybe we just use the one with standard deviation and no n.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I was like, ah.
I didn't realize that. Thank you.
Oh, okay. I was like, I don't understand. Because percentiles is the one thing that I don't understand.
Yikes.
Oops. Oh, no.
Oh, but that gives me a
Okay.
way difference.
I got 0.617. Or be 618 with rounding.
Um,
But I don't
so we're
think
trying
that
to,
is correct. Wait,
yeah,
okay.
the 35th percentile, right? That's what we're trying to figure out.
Yeah.
Okay. So I got like 154 or something.
Okay. Okay. Do you know what lesson this was in? This one would
It
have
was
been
in
in.
lesson 5 as well,
Oh, lesson 5.
I think.
Don't like lesson 5?
Yeah, it was. So did you figure out, do you need some guidance? What's up?
Because even when we did percentiles, I never quite understood how to find them. I always just kind of like, I could use the Excel. Like if you have a data, then you can use Excel and it's fine, but it's just calculating it. I don't understand the concept nor know what the equation is for it. And I'm like, okay.
Is just like you're finding the z-score like any other thing. So it'd be z equals x minus u all over the standard deviation.
Yeah.
Or just the x minus u is minus standard deviation.
Okay, and then when you find the z-score, you just go to the applet and find everything underneath, like to
So
the left?
uh,
because when I did the x minus mu over standard deviation, I got a really, really big number.
Okay.
So,
Okay, so you go to the normal probability applet,
yeah.
and you just shade either one way or the other, I think, and just put 0.35 because we're trying to find the 35th percentile. So you find the z-score for that, and it's 0.385.
Okay, because when I did the z-score, I got 0.617. Because I got the 157 was x as our whatever that is.
Or are we using, because the mean is 150.7, and we're trying to find the x. Does that make sense?
Oh, is that what we're doing for the 35th percentile?
Yeah, I think the 157 is just because on other tests it's had like what would be
Okay.
under 157 or whatever, but I don't think
Okay.
that's really valid for this question. Like I don't think we need it.
Okay, then how do we solve for x? Because we don't have the
Okay.
z-score.
So we have the z-score because of our percentage. Our percentage gives us the z-score.
Oh, so you type in 30.
35.35 is the area.
So everything underneath 0.35.
So it'll be just to the left or to the right. It doesn't matter what you shade. But that'll just give you the z-score, like 0.385. Do you see that?
The 3632?
For the what? Sorry?
Oh, for the 35th percentile. That actually would probably be after, or is it 63?
I just got a z-score of 0.385. And you plug it in for the z. But you keep breaking out. Like, Caroline, your question.
Oh, so because I just did, so the 35th percentile is like 35%, right? And so you just type in as your, oh, hold on. I'm doing it backwards.
As your area, 0.35.
Yeah. And so then it's 0.385 is your z-score.
Yeah.
Okay. Getting somewhere. Okay. Okay, so then I will solve for, so 0. And we use the negative
No, just
or
the positive.
positive. Okay, just the positive. Okay. Plus 150. Okay, so did you get 150.737 as your x?
I got 154.627.
Oh, dang it.
Okay, so how did you set up your equation?
Okay, so I did, because the z-score was the 0.37745, you know. And so then
0.38. Right? My z-score was different. I got 0.385.
Oh, Oh, wait, no, sorry. That was the second step. Yeah, 0.385
Yeah.
divided, and then I'm looking at the wrong thing. And then divide by 10.2, and that's when I got 0.37745. That's what it was. That was my answer.
Okay.
And
So
then
the
I just,
equation is like z equals x minus the mean over 10.2.
yep,
But the 10.2 isn't under the 0.385 as well. Does that make sense?
yes. But when you solve for x, you always do multiplication and division first.
Yeah. So you times
Oh, yeah. So oh, what am I doing? Multiply. I don't know how to do basic math. Okay, hold on.
That's okay. I totally understand.
My life is over. I don't know. 10.2. Okay, so then I got 3.927.
Me as well, yeah.
Okay, and then you add 150. Oh, so you will
150.
definitely get 1.7. Yeah, so 154.627.
Okay, okay, good. I'm pretty sure that's how you do that.
Multiplication, not division. Oh goodness, it's been way too
It's
long.
okay.
Okay, so then this means in English that the score of 150 6 is like, if we were to take all the scores, it's 35%.
Yeah, so if you took all the scores, 35% of people get 154.6. Or
Okay.
lower?
It's not very good.
Yeah.
Because if you're like 95th percentile, the number that you get would be 90. Oh yeah, it's 95. Yeah, 95% of the people get that or lower. Okay, this makes more sense. But that is so
Okay.
confusing. Okay, that's why I was like, not doing
No,
that.
I understand. I have things like that too where I'm like, I still don't understand them. I don't know very well.
I still don't understand percentiles. That's okay. Let's see.
I don't know.
Oh, this one I said skewed right.
So we do still have those.
Number 7.
7. Yeah, I put skewed right as well.
Yeah, because like it's not big enough to be normal, and so yeah, it goes back to levels. Okay.
Okay. What's the Z score? Did you do 8?
Because this one, let's see, try to not carry.
To be honest, I've
Oh,
been
yeah, 'cause this is-
born it, and I don't know anyone who has. No, it does not feel like me. Just that we're like.
Because the sample, this is the one I pushed down.
Okay.
So it is X. Because we have everything else.
Yeah. Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay. So our X, I put 8550 because that's what we're looking for in 8.
Oh, okay. Oh, and then mute. Oh.
Yeah.
Even though it's the mean.
Tracks the 8544, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 8544.
Okay. Square root of 20. So I got 0.118. No, 0.112. Because there's the 8 in there.
As your Z score?
Yes, because it's the X minus the mean over sigma divided by the square root of n.
Yeah.
With
got-
855 being, or 8550 being X, and then the 8544 being mu.
Yeah. So
That's what I
on the
got.
bottom, is it just 12 over the square root of 20?
Yes.
Okay, because I got 2.236 as my answer. But I will do it again.
Okay. I probably didn't put a minus 5. Oh, I get something way different. That's not
What'd you
okay.
get?
All I did was add another parenthesis and I got 39.503.
Oh gosh.
So I'm like, oh, hold on. That's not
Pieces, or
even
else wrong.
that's not even correct because I put 8444. Oh, okay.
Do you have a class today, Rachel?
I do, but it starts at 1 today. So I was like, yeah. Thank goodness. Not instead 12:45 or whatever. Okay, hold on. Divide by 12 divided by square root. Okay, so you said you got 2.236? Yes, I got that too. I just needed an extra parenthesis. How dumb is that? Okay.
Okay. And then 50 randomly selected is greater than 8540. Okay.
Sample mean capacity. Okay, so we're going to do the left. So then we do the exact same equation just with 50 as our sample and then look on our normal applet.
But they have, it's greater than 8540, so it's a different number this time.
Oh, okay. And we use that for x.
8540. But yeah.
Okay. Minus.
Whew.
By the square root of 50.
I'm hoping that like this next spring-ish time, that me and Vincent can come visit you guys.
I got 0.9908.
Okay. What I'm doing wrong. Okay, so our x is 8540, right?
Yeah, x 8540, and then we minus the mu, or 8544, and then divided by 12, which is divided by, or which is sigma, divided by the square root of 50.
Yeah.
And then we just do, so my z-score was like negative 2.3 something, and then I just plugged it in and highlighted all the stuff to the right.
Oh my gosh. I don't even.
Then it'd be greater than that number.
And you got 0.999?
Yeah, well, 0.99, and then I got 0.8, but with rounding it'd be 0.991, I think.
Okay. I don't know why this is so hard for me to grasp. Okay. Our x is 8540.
Huh?
And then we're subtracting 8544. Oh my gosh. I've done this equation like 50 times. Okay, let me do it one more time.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Oh, good. Let's see if I can do it a little bit different. Let's see.
Okay, that's 7. Yes. Okay. 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 all good in the hood. 0.991.
Okay. Because I'm pretty sure you do everything to the right, correct? Because it's greater than, not less than. So we're looking for everything that's above that number.
That makes sense. It's just,
Okay.
I always mix up my X and my mean, and then I'm like, what am I
Yeah, you're
doing?
Yeah, no. All good. All good. Okay.
The next one, did you get type 1 error?
Yes, I did. Okay, I did because I was like, I'm pretty sure it's that, and then I was like, oh, I don't know if it's
Every
that
time
or
I'm like, I'm pretty sure that's what it is.
because the p-value is the probability of like it's probability. So yeah, more extreme or less extreme. Okay, type 1. Woohoo! And then question 11. What did I say? B, C, O. They always, it's so dumb because on my answers I wrote down like if it was the first one, second one, third one, but I didn't write down what they actually were. And so I've got like, oh, it was the second and third one, but
Me
then they
too.
changed. Okay.
The third one.
The third one, the 95% chance.
Oh, mine says approximately 95% of all 95% confidence intervals.
Oh, yeah, because I don't have any of that. Oh, that's dumb. Okay. Maybe she changes it. Okay, because on mine that's the, well, it doesn't matter what it is. So approximately 95% of all 95%. Yeah, that's the one I got too.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's
And
kind
then
of sneaky.
is there another one where we are 95% confident that the true mean is between whatever?
Is there another question like that? Is that what you're saying?
No, that's like, because there's two ways that you can say it. Either the 95% of 95% confidence intervals, or that we are 95% confident that the true mean of whatever we're doing is between our confidence intervals, right?
I think so.
Okay,
So,
so I got that one too. Okay. Question 12. What did I get for that one? Said it's normal. Oops.
no, because the data is normal.
Yeah, I think so.
Got that as well. Okay, this next question about like the portfolios or whatever. Every time we have it on a test, I'm like, there's just so much work. I do not like this one.
Like, I don't know. I just, no. No, it's so dumb.
What'd you get for your p-value?
Hold on. Stop moving.
Is this one you still have to do?
Yeah, I was just like looking because I read really quickly through the last one and then we answered it and I was like, wait, I feel like I need to read through it again just to make sure, because I'm dumb. Let's see, is this, oh, yep, this is one that I would probably have to do. Wait, no. Nope, yeah, this one I have to do. And this one we just put in, we just have to put in the numbers.
I think it's just one column if I can remember.
Okay, rates of return. And we're doing it as a, oh, so we're comparing a sample to a return. So is it a paired sample?
I honestly can't remember. I did it yesterday, but I'll look again.
You're like, oh, it is just one, which we have used before.
I actually only had one column of data.
Okay, so then I'm just gonna put it into, and then what are they asking for? They're asking for p-value. So it's just a one sample.
Yeah.
So my p-value I got as 0.5. Is that what you got?
I will redo it just to make sure because sometimes it's a little wonky.
Yeah. That's totally fine because we're doing.
Our null hypothesis was 0.95, right?
Just kidding. Never mind. I have to change it. Yes, 0.95. That's going to change my answer.
And it'll be a less than test. Because I got 0.019.
Okay, yeah, so null hypothesis is it equals 0.95, right?
0. So I have my null hypothesis as 0.95.
Mm-hmm.
I think is that what you did?
Because that's what they're, oh wait. Oh, no. 500. Conduct the hypothesis test. Worse than the performance of the nope. It's 500. That's what it is. So null hypothesis.
Wait, 500 stock index? Isn't that like describing the index?
Because it says conduct a hypothesis test to determine if the investigator's portfolio performed significantly worse than the performance of the SP 500. Okay. Oh, or is that the name? Oh my goodness. It's the name.
So the it says it has a mean return of 0.95. So we're trying to decide if it's less than 0.95. I think.
Yes. So less than 0.9.
Well, it's 0.95 still as well.
Did you get 0.164?
I got 0.019.
Oh, how did we do that? So the sample is oh, if this little thing changes my ah.
Okay, so like what are your summary statistics? Like underneath it?
Yeah, because I'm putting it in again. Oh, I got the same thing. Okay, so my summary statistics. So like I've got 39 as my sample. My T or my whatever Z-score is 0.989. Whatever. P-value is 0.164. My confidence intervals are negative 1.945 and 1.945.
I did not even get close to that. And I don't know what is going on and why we're having such a hard struggle today.
I don't know. Because did we use the t-test? Or?
I did a t-test because we don't know our standard deviation.
Yeah, and it's not a proportion, right?
Yeah, and so I just copied that data in there and then I put my confidence level as 0.95. My null hypothesis was 0.95 and then I put less than.
Yep, that's what I did too.
That's what you did everything and you have a different one? Okay.
Yep.
I will try putting the data again.
I don't know. Okay. Did I do something to the data? I don't think I did anything to the data.
Do you have anything in your summary statistics?
Did I add anything to my note?
Okay, me neither. And I got a p-value of 0.019.
That sounds better because it's a p-value.
I don't.
Let me download it again and see if maybe they changed it. Because I know I had already had it in my computer, and so I wonder if maybe they changed it from when I had it to like. I need to close it. Close it. Oh, it's the same.
Frozen section of Ocean Mart in Utah.
Okay.
So we were like,
let's
this
not
is
do
it
that.
was like authentic. It was like they just got it frozen from the
We're gonna
store.
try this again. Point. Or it could just not open. Oh, there we go. Oh.
Sorry, I can't really hear
I feel like that would just make me hungry all the time.
It's okay. I'm just having technical problems because it's just not. Nope. Okay. We're gonna try this for the fourth time. Yep, I get the same thing.
Okay, what was
Oh, sorry. Can you say that again?
what did you get on it? What was your p-value?
0.164.
Okay. I guess we'll just have to keep going, I guess.
I don't know. Wait. Oh my goodness. Let's do. Because we're not. It's not a proportion.
No, it's just a one sample teacher.
Okay, I'm like just yep. 165. That's right. Okay, well, we'll see. I'll probably get it wrong, and then I'll be like, well, I'll figure it out, I guess. Oh, good.
Okay. So are you okay to go on to the
But-
next one?
Yeah, I put dependent for this one.
I put dependent as well. Who's chosen depends.
Yeah, because when you select couples, if you like select a particular wife, it includes. Yeah.
Okay. Woohoo! Oh, we're gonna try it again.
Yeah. Okay, so we just put this one in. How do I put this one in? This is a paired sample. And we do 90 days minus 14 days. Yes. Okay.
We do.
So 90 days.
Or is it 14 minus 9? Oh, I have to read it again. Hold on.
Oh, you're so cute.
I honestly don't. Are you gonna
Because it
do?
said, let's see. So he's comparing the prices between 90 days before the flight and then 14 days before the flight. So, da, da, da. So she recorded the lowest published fares for 90 or for these flights 90 days in advance, and then found the lowest published price for the same thing again after 14 days.
Mhm.
And so then she's trying to see the difference.
So did you subtract 90 from 14?
Yes. Or
Okay.
it's the data for 90 and then the data for 14, which is switched, which is Oh, and she just wants to see if, what is the, so it's not equal to, and the null hypothesis is 0. I think, yes.
Yeah. What was your p-value?
So my p-value was 0.096.
Mine was 0.105.
Oh, man. Okay.
Oh my heck. Okay.
Maybe I need
So
to
you
close down.
subtracted, just to make sure, you
Yeah.
subtracted 90 from 14 days.
Yes. So all the data from the 90, whatever, and then all the data from 14. So like 90 started with what? 202.9, or no, sorry. What did I say? 20 or 23419.
Mm-hmm.
And then 14, the first data point was like 202.9, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So then
So then so you
was,
subtracted 234 from 202
yeah.
or 202 from 234.
So yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna try this again. Always.
That is so weird. Maybe I should just get rid of my whole thing. And then I'll open it again. Woo.
This is in the inference procedures, right?
The,
Are we doing it in the quantitative inference procedures?
oh,
Aren't we?
yeah. Yeah, because we're looking for the mean prices. So it's a paired sample. Oh, it opened up like that.
On a new sheet and see if that changes anything. I don't know.
That's so weird.
I'm having way too many struggles today.
I know, I'm like, my brain just not working.
Yeah, I'm just done. Wait, my p-value, I got 0.105. in both of them.
I don't know. You're probably right. So
Did you, and you put the new sheets and everything?
yeah, I put in the new stuff and I like closed out of it and then opened it again and put in the new stuff and I still got 0.096. So I don't know. I think you could do yours and we'll just see.
Yeah, and then whoever, that way we know, because I don't know what's going on.
I don't know either. I think maybe my stuff is messed up. Okay. Yeah. So is it? I think both of ours are bigger though. So then we
So I don't think I'm getting touched.
we fail to reject, right?
Yeah.
You're okay. We're good.
So when we fail to reject, we're saying that there is no difference.
Yeah, there's insignificant. Yes. But this one, it just says no because the p-value is greater. So that's nice.
Yeah, it's like, okay, that's awesome. Okay. 17, I said it was normal. Was it a yes or a no though? Dang it.
Because it's decided to be normal. Yeah.
But I forgot if it was yes or no. What? Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Yep, that's what I got. And
Okay.
then 18.
18, I got UD, the differences equal and then don't equal.
Yep. So mean diff equals 0 and then mean diff doesn't equal 0.
Yeah.
Yay. And 19. Oh, that's where I was like 95% of all 95% confidence intervals.
Yeah.
Yay.
Awesome. Okay. Did you do 20?
Yes. What did I get? I got 50.
I got 50. Yay!
Hey, I love when these are easy.
I finally figured out how to do those. I had such a hard time with those.
It was like, yeah. And then on this one, what is this? 21.
Question on that. 100% on it.
Because this one I got. Oh, the 40 times 0.250 is greater than or equal to 10.
That's what I got as well. But then I wasn't sure if we were supposed to use his current batting average or his future.
No, like his future one.
you're
Because you're trying to find out if in the future that would work. 'Cause you know what it is right now, but like, yeah. And plus it's always supposed to be greater than 10. And that one was less than 10. And I was like, no. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, true.
You're like, what? Uh-oh, what did I put for this one? I put
22.
half chromosome. Was it 51?
You got what? Sorry.
I said, whatever, the percentage of all the gametes in, whatever, have the male chromosome.
I put 51.2% of the gametes in the sample of male chromosome.
That would
Because
make
you're not
sense.
sure it's all dogs, but it is in that sample.
Yes. On my paper, I just said number D, have chromosome.
Oh, yeah, I put D as well. Okay.
Oh, okay, yeah. So, like, yeah.
Okay, 23.
This is one that I didn't do, but let's see.
I got super small, so I will probably do it again.
Yeah, let's see. So 45% of adults. So this one we're doing a proportion because it's 45%.
Oh, yeah.
Fewer than, so we're doing less than 320.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait. Hey, are we finding the proportion? So like
Yeah, what's
320 divided by 750?
Oh, no, not that simple, I don't think.
Oh, yeah, I'm like, that's, So what's the equation that you use for this one?
I just wrote my answers, but I will try to help you. Okay, so I
Oh.
put the proportion, so 320 over 750,
Uh-huh,
minus the mean, I guess, which is 0.45, this is the 45%.
uh-huh.
And then I just put it all over the square root of the mean, and then in parentheses, 1 minus mean,
Oh, yeah,
all over 750.
yep.
So I think it was like p hat. Is that
Uh-huh.
p hat?
Yes, because it's the like sample. Oh, this one
Yeah,
would be
that's
the
what I did.
sample. Well, it's P, whatever. And then you do it over the square root of the sample size?
Over the square root of the sample. Yeah, 750. Well, I guess it's in that equation, it's all square rooted. So like the
Yep.
bottom half is
Yeah, I forget what lesson this is. This is lesson. Because this is a, what kind of hypothesis test? This is a chi-square, is it?
no. Is it just a one?
Oh, it's a one proportion. Huh.
Now I'm trying to even remember where I got this equation.
Okay. Here we go. Found it. Oh, okay. That's confidence intervals. We want to find sample size. No. Okay. Ah, so we're finding the z-score. Oh, found it. Yes, this is chapter 15, 16? 17, sorry. That's 17. I found it. Okay, let me just try and do this real quick because we're doing, hold on. We're doing the one with the value, right?
So what?
Oh, because this one, hold on. Our
I
p
found
hat,
this
our
chapter
p hat.
16.
Oh, you found it in 6. Okay, because there's one where you use p hat for all of it. No, p for all of it.
Do you want my equation that I used with actual p's?
Yeah, are you doing p hat minus p and then everything else is p?
Over the square root of p, 1 minus p over n.
Yeah, so we're doing 0.45 for p, and then p hat would be
Is
the,
the proportion. So 320 over 750.
yes, aha. All right, now I just gotta put it into my equation correctly. Okay, so divided by 750 minus 0.45% divided by, oh wait, yeah.
How you doing? I meant to say hi. Oh gosh. But how are you feeling?
Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is correct. I got negative 70. That's probably, I'm like, nope. Okay. So, wait, I think 320 is the P, just P.
What?
No, it's not, because P had the sample. Oh, okay, hold on. I know how to do this. It's just gonna take a little bit.
That's okay.
Minus.
I got a perfume that was called Nice Lady.
Divided by.
Yes. We're gonna have a birthday on Friday night. Oh, we'll send you more info.
Oh, I think I know what I did.
I finally did ask about it. Right, that's what I asked her, and then I got an email, but it was actually sent to my own personal account.
Oh.
I sent an email today. Like, a list of the judges. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm planning.
Oh.
on it, but
Okay.
I need that.
Yes. If we want to be there, just
okay.
there's 5.
Okay. I'm trying to think of some
Okay,
extra
I got
projects until next week. Broken the
Okay, what'd you get?
like that. So.
Oh, wait, let me put it in. Ready. Oh, hold on. 750.
First timer? Okay. Okay.
So I think
All right.
Divided by. Oh, nope. That didn't work. So I'm gonna do this a different way. Yep. Okay. Did you get negative 1.2844?
I did indeed. And
You
then we
did,
just have to
yay! Oh my
of it being
goodness.
lit.
So, okay, yeah, then I just put that into the probability outlet 4. We're looking for less than, no, what is it? Fewer, yes, less than. Okay. Yay, I know how to do it. Okay. Okay, did you get 0.0996?
Indeed.
Oh, that is crazy. Or wait a second. Yeah, so be 0.0. Oh, whoa. Would it be 0.1 then?
0.01.
Yeah.
Or would it be 0.1?
I think it would be because 99 turns into 100. So I think it might be 0.1.
Yeah. You're so right.
Ugh, at least something is right. Okay. And 24, I put 0.182.
I put 0.091.
Yeah, because because the what is it? When you're doing different than, you do both sides. But if you're doing greater than, you do right, less than you do left. And so the value of one side is 0.91, but then if you do both, like meaning it's different then. If that makes any sense, I think I just sort of spoke English.
I
Okay.
feel like you've just
Wait, but I'll double check the thing. 1.334, right?
yeah. And then you put it on both sides of 0.1822.
Yes.
Awesome.
There we go. Even on that.
Okay, and then the next one, did you put any N?
Yes.
Awesome.
Any will do.
Okay.
I said, no, it's too small.
Yeah, for the women.
Yeah, because there was one of them that just wasn't large.
So the last one? Or
I
no,
put-
because it in at least one.
Oh yeah, I put no because at least one case it didn't work. Didn't. It was
Perfect.
smaller than 10. And then
Okay.
27, I put the difference or whatever. The difference. Mean difference does not equal 0. Ugh. Whatever that is. Ugh. 28. I put D.
Okay.
I put the last one. Let's see. No, that doesn't look like it's the same. Oh, no,
I
that's
put
what I put.
actual weight loss was 5.5 pounds higher than his predicted weight loss.
That's probably true because so what they did was find the linear, was not regression, that one, of what it would be if he exercised and then one if he didn't, right? Then
Yeah. Yeah, so if he had a
Uh-huh.
negative 5.5, it would mean that his actual weight was less than his predicted weight.
Yeah, yes.
Just trying to make
Or unless they did like, this is the amount you lost.
like you lost negative 10 pounds.
Well, they probably won't be able to. They'd just say that your weight is like negative, they put on the negative scale, but then in writing it up, they would say you lost 5.5 pounds. So like your weight loss is not negative 5 pounds, but your weight loss is 5 pounds.
It's
Does that make
5.5
sense?
positive pounds. Okay, we got it.
Yeah. So let's see. So maybe the one you said is right. Let's see.
His actual weight loss was 5.5 pounds higher than predicted.
You didn't exercise? Maybe that one. Let's see, because this is after. Because I think it is predicted. Oh my goodness, I have no idea.
It's
'Cause it
either
doesn't
that one
say-
or the next.
Because it doesn't say anything about the other one, like how much the other one would be. And so I don't think we can really compare it to anything. So I don't think any of the predicted ones. Yeah, I think it's either the last one or second to last one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just put your best guess, I guess. I don't know.
Yep. Yep. That's what I think. Okay. Then 29, what did I put for 29? C, what did I say? Oh,
As percent complaints by 1%.
Yep.
Yeah, so I
5
got
pounds or less. Oh, sweet. Yep. And then 30. Oh, I put B, D, E. What did I say? They're normally.
I just gotta go back and see what they are.
Yeah, I'm like, A, B's. No. Yeah. So like normally distributed, there's a linear relationship between X and Y, and then the variance, whatever, is consistent. That's what I put. But,
Oh my gosh.
What?
These questions were for me. I seriously was sitting here for like an hour trying to figure them out, and it was
really?
just awful.
All good. Yeah. That one I was kind of like, well, I don't know 100%, but this is what that's what I put.
You got answers for these?
Yeah, I put the second one and the third and fourth. I mean, fourth and fifth one.
Oh, yeah.
But-
No, I thought you, like, on the next questions where it's about the flight.
Oh, just kidding. Oh, just kidding. These ones I have not done yet. Let's see. Because you just have to put in, let's see. Da, 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 da. So it's 14 to 90 this time, right?
Yeah. 14 to 90, yeah.
And we are we sample correlation? So we're doing the, what is it?
The linear.
Linear regression, right? So then I just do, I do 14 and then 90. Oops. I know what I'm gonna do. Whoa. My coefficient, or the R, right, is 0.676. Uh-oh, is that not right?
I don't know. On these ones, I feel 0% confident in my answers. So that's always fun.
Yeah, you're like, well.
But you can keep going. I'll catch up in a second.
No, you're totally fine. I'm going to, where's this? Oh, it's not that. Oh, no, that's not. This is the one we just did.
Okay, so our dependent, let me try to remember this. So our response variable, our y, is the 14, right?
Yes. What is that? Oh, hey.
Yeah, so I got 0.780.
Oh, dang.
Is that what you got?
Nope. But, because that's just the R, right?
Yeah.
And you did, oh goodness.
I did 14 as y, 90 as x.
Oh, wait, okay. So so one's going to affect the other. So the first one, let's see.
So the first one, so when you have your 90-day price, that affects what your 14-day price will be.
Oh my goodness. Okay, then I did it backwards. Hold on.
Does that make sense?
Yes, because they said they want to predict the price for a light base 90. So they did like 14 before 90. But then they continue.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
So I don't know.
Rachel?
I'm confused. Because in bold, she put 14 and then 90. And then later on, they were talking about 90 and then 14. And so I'm confused on which one it is. I'm like, okay, which one do we put first?
Which one?
wanted to predict the price of tickets 14 days before a flight, based on the price of tickets listed 9 days. So which one is influencing the other?
Yeah. So wouldn't your 90 influence your 14? Because your 14 isn't going to happen until your 90 happens.
Oh my goodness. You are right.
Makes
So
sense?
don't look at the bold.
Oh, I guess we'll find out if we're supposed to look at the poll.
Okay, so this one. So it's like we did in the paired test.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna copy that one. Okay, just
I don't think we subtract anything though.
okay. Wait, did you get 0.780?
Yay! Yes, I did.
Yay! Okay, sweet.
Yeah, we'll see which way we're actually supposed to do it. Too bad you can't do that on the final, huh?
I know, right? Okay, and create a scatter plot. And we use the scatter plot just for the residuals, correct?
So a scatter plot, you don't use the residuals. If they wanted a residual, then you would. Does
Yeah.
that make sense? I think the
But they're-
scatter plot is automatically already there.
Oh, this one? Oh, duh.
I think so.
Okay, this one
It's
is
linear with a fairly strong positive.
with like one outlier. Yeah, I got that one too.
Okay, and seriously, this next question, oh, maybe not that actually. No, actually not that. Just keep, sorry. When do you have to leave? Right now?
Oh, dang. Okay, I do, but I'll be out in an hour. And do we want to finish then?
We can. I'll finish like my answers and then we can look through it a second time at what
Okay.
you get at 2.
Yeah. Okay. Well
That'll
then
be
I will.
this I was not sure on, but